Hello guys, welcome to techinea.com. In today's session, we are going to discuss about the Linux inode, softlink, and the hardlink. When we talk about the inode, what is meant by inode in Linux? An inode is a data structure that keeps track of all the files and the directories within the Linux file system. Or in other terms, we can say like the Linux file system is based on the inode entries. Inode holds the metadata about the files. What is the metadata about the files? Each and every file will have the owner of the file, who created the file, size of the file, UID, GID, and the timestamp. So in a very simple term, we can say like whatever the file which we create inside the Linux or Unix systems, about that files, all the informations will be stored inside the inode. And before going to the next concept of softlink, let us have idea. Let us log into the Linux system and show you how it works. So this is my Linux machine. I'm in this current path. I want to list the inode information. I'm using the command ls-i. So you can see here, these are all called as a inode number actually. There is a file called Apache Maven 3.6.3.zip file. For that file, this is the inode number. Assume that I have a file called, for example, tomcat-users.xml, and for that this is the inode number. So basically, this inode number which holds the metadata about this file section. And also, if you type df-i, you can see here it will show the file system information, inode informations, how much of inode is used, how much inode is free, the usage percentage, and on which it's mounted. So it will have all those information. So let us talk about this file system. In this file system, when we use this command I refers to the inode. And this is inode number actually. Okay, let us talk about this one. This is inode number for tomcat-users.xml. So we can use the command stat command and followed by the file name. If you use this, you can able to see that the file name is, this is the inode number. If I'm trying to grab the stack, it will give all the metadata informations of the file name, size of the file, this called as the device ID, and the access informations, when it was lastly accessed, modified, changed, how many number of links. So we may have a hard link or a soft link for this file. So how many number of links we have, so that information will be contained. So basically, the purpose of this number is actually, this inode number links the file system table. This is about the inode. Next, let us talk about the softlink. What is a softlink in Linux? A softlink is nothing but it is similar to the Windows shortcut. So what we are doing in the Windows shortcut, a file will be kept in a particular location. We will be creating a shortcut link where we can able to access that file using that shortcut link. So this, in a simple term, we can say a soft link is similar to the Windows shortcut. One file can have many shortcuts pointing to it. It will maintain a different inode number. For every shortcut, there will be a different inode number. Assume that you delete the original file, then the soft link will not work. The soft link is nothing but the shortcut will not work actually. In order to create a shortcut, these are Linux command syntax. ln refer to link, -s soft link, followed by the target file and the source. So let us see how to create this. So I am in this file system, OPD software. I am trying to list my files. So you can see I have a file called tomcat-users.xml, which is having this particular inode number. But I don't have any soft link inside this file. In order to create a soft link, what I am trying to do, I am using the ln command followed by -s, and the target file is basically nothing but this tomcat-users.xml, and I am trying to create a link called, for example, my link 1. So now if I list, you can see here for the tomcat-users.xml, there is a link file which got created that is maintaining a different inode number. So you can see here, this is a soft link. A soft link is nothing but, as we said, it is similar to the Windows shortcut actually. So this is a shortcut which will refer to a particular file. This is called as a soft link. Okay. Next, we are going to discuss about what is meant by hardlink in Linux. And hardlink is just a different name for the same file actually. One file can have many different names, that we call it as hardlinks in Linux. Inode holds the metadata about that files, about the hardlink file information. In order to create that, we can use this command, ln command, the link command, followed by the target file and the source file. Let us see practically how to do that. So if you see here, ls-altr, I have this file which is called as the original file tomcat-users.xml. I created a soft link in the previous demo, that is in the name of my link. I want to create a hard link for that actually. So in order to create a hard link, and also you can see, let me clear the screen. You can see here, if I see my inode number of this, the original file which is called as a target file, so it ends at 99997. Now I'm going to create a hard link actually. So you can use the command ln command and followed by the target file and the source file. For example, I'm giving the source file as techinea tomcat 1. So if I try to list it, you can able to see here, there is a hard link which got created. So hard link is nothing but just a different name for the same file. But you can see it maintains the same inode number. How many number of hard links you are creating for a particular file, it will maintain the same inode number. For example, I am using this command. I am going to create another hard link called techinea tomcat2 for the target file called tomcat-users.xml. So now here you can able to see the target file is tomcat-users.xml. techinea tomcat1 and techinea tomcat2 both are nothing but the hard link for that same file. which will maintain the same inode number. Now, for example, I am trying to use the stat command and I am trying to take the file. So here you can able to see we have totally 3 links for the tomcat-users.xml. First link is the soft link which we created for the tomcat-users.xml. Remaining 2 hard links which we created, techinea tomcat1 and techinea tomcat2. So this is about the Linux inodes, soft link as well as hard links. Thank you all.